Hello everyone. So if you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14 Pro, there are a couple ways to do this. So the first one is using your buttons, your power button and your volume up button. So in order to make a screenshot, simply hold them simultaneously, and as you see, the screenshot was just made. You can find all of the screenshots in your photo, Actually, you can find them in the recents, or you can find them in the files, which are gonna be recent days, and here is gonna be everything. So pinned collections, screenshots, easy as that. The second way to make a screenshot is through your accessibility. So open up your settings, find your accessibility, scroll down to touch, and now go to the very bottom to your back tab. Press on back tap, choose double tap or triple tap. I will choose double tap, and find your screenshot option. Select it. Now we are to double tap on the Apple icon on the back. So as you see, the screenshot was just made, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.